Welcome back to another video, and as you can see, we are gonna do the last step of the heated floors. If you have seen the past videos, we insulated them, we put the heated pipes, they are nice and hot, but now we're gonna do the final step for the floors, which is laying the laminate floor. But before we can put the actual laminate floor, we are gonna be putting this green kind of cartony, papery kind of thing. So let's get that laid all out, make it all green, and then put the floor on top.
Is it correct, Peppa? What do you say, judges? Peppa, is it good?
They're the builder instructors.
Inspectors.
Inspectors.
Oh, he's leaving. He's keep closing his eyes on it.
I love that window.
He says it's good.
It's good. Okay, I think we can get started now.
Verified. They're looking so
Should
carefully.
I show you a magic trick, Pippa? Should I show them magic trick? Magic. Done. So as you can see, we are done laying the green thing. And while we were kind of like close to the end, we realized that we should have done it the brick way, where you do like one and on the bottom. But I think it's such a small room that it does not really bother. And I think we have done our whole house like this. Not sure how we did the rest of it, but I think it's gonna work perfectly fine. But before we move on and put the floor on, you might be wondering, what am I wearing? And thanks to Ultrahuman for sending me this ring for review. This ring is a smart ring, and it's called Ring Air because it's super light, and it also comes in other colors such as black and silver and matte. But we went for this one. You can put it in any finger. We chose this one because we know that this one will also fit David in his pinky, so we can change it around. And yeah, the reason why I am the one wearing it is because after my surgery, I really wanted to keep track on my heartbeat, and I kind of had to as well. So I really like it. It's only 2.5 grams, so you really don't feel it. It's extremely light. When I unboxed it, I was like, that is really nice and light. You can barely feel it on your finger. Versus the big watches, they are heavy. So in case you're a person that does not wear watches, I really like the ring because, yeah, as I said, it's very light for everyday use. So it's like any other smartwatch. It tracks your steps, your heartbeat, your body temperature, and it all goes in the app, and you have full detail of also your sleep, which has been really interesting for me to track. And what I also really enjoy is that in the app itself you can have workouts and meditations, and all those activities are being saved in the app. So you have all in one app. You can do your activities there, your meditations, your training, and then see live update on the same app, how you did, how high your heartbeat was, and all those activities. So I think that is really cool, and make sure to check the link down below, and with our code DIV20 you can get a 20% discount for the Black Friday. So it's definitely worth checking out, and make sure you hurry up because Black Friday deal ends at 2nd of December. So in case you want to make a present for yourself for Christmas, or you want to gift someone a ring, make sure to check the link down below. It's a good time to get yourself a ring, since, you know, you get a 20% discount. And with that being said, I think we're gonna move on to the floor and see the color we got. And that is the floor we are going with. And now that I see it, after we had stained the outside, it's kind of the same color. And the reason why we went with this one, there was actually multiple options that we really liked. It is the only room where I can go with my dark floor. I know a lot of people were kind of not hating, but saying that you can see a lot of dust. But as I said, it's a small room, it's the brightest room, so I decided, well, we decided to go with dark. I actually was about to check out and not get dark, but David really convinced me and said that he really likes this one. And a plus of this floor is that it's really thick. It was one of the thickest ones. Plus it has a plastic lining for extra water protection, so it's extra splashy watery. Up to 24 hours water can stay on it, and since that is kind of an exit to the garden and now it's also snow, in case it's a bit more snowy, well, we're gonna put a mat in front, but that's why I wanted to go with one that is really water resistant in that sense, and not with another one that I really liked that did not have this check mark and probably not the plastic lining because we couldn't see it there. So yeah, let's get started. Laid out, and this time we're not gonna do it the wrong way. We're just laying all, we're gonna do it the proper laminate way that it needs to go. And yeah, I'm probably gonna let David do that since he has done already a lot and we wanna get through it fast.
That is cool.
What are you doing outside? Isn't it slightly too cold? And it kind of, the floor really nicely matches with this one, the old one as well, because it has like a bit of a brown dark shade.
It doesn't look like a modern floor, that's for
It
sure.
looks really nice, I feel. Today is 21st, 11. My name day. 11, 2024. Random.
Yeah, for memory, whenever we replace it.
It's so extreme, you can do
Water sports. on
water
it.
sports.
Extreme 4V. So we are finished with the floors. It is the next day. Sun is shining in beautifully. Outside is a big layer of snow, but the floors here are nice and warm. They're not getting over 30 degrees. In most spots it's around 28 to 29, some 30 spots, and not really getting too hot. But that's pretty much it with this video. It looks a lot nicer. Now you can nicely stand it here and work. Now we kind of need to cover them back up with paper to work on further on the walls, because that's going to be quite of a messy work with all the plastering and painting that we have to do. So, but we have them done, and keeping this room warm was important. So, but that's pretty much it with this video. I hope you enjoyed, and we're going to see you in the next one. Bye bye.